Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday, and thank you for joining me talking all things Masters of the Universe or in the world of the Master Universe. And today we're looking at the next figure of the Masters of the WWE Universe, Wave 1, and that of Triple H, the evil Skull King of Kings. We'll take a look in the packaging. Unfortunately, I do not have any loose versions of this particular brand of He-Man WWE figures crossover, but we'll do our best to take a look at the figure. And we also compare him to, which I believe is his Skeletor. He's supposed to represent Skeletor in the world of Master Universe. So here we go, guys. Here's a little Triple H. As you can see, you have the Masters of the WWE Universe logo, similar to the Origins line, kinda. So the red rocks, we have the blue rocks around with the purple color right there. Very, very cool. You have Triple H, the evil Skull King of Kings. There's the figure himself. As you can see, it is very similar. It's identical to the Origins line that has come out for Masterverse. For the Master Universe. And then for the WWE side, they came out with the Superstar line right there. You can see. So what you're seeing here, if anybody's new to the channel, is that back in 2019, and they ran for a few waves, from 2019 to 2021, Mattel took two iconic brands of the WWE, and they crossed over with the Master Universe line. So what you're seeing here is like I've said with the Sting review and the Ultimate Warrior review, you're looking at what you're seeing is like one of your first early Origins figures, right there. But there he is. Around to the back as well. As you can see, his action call out, his helmet can be removed if you wish to show Triple H's face. There's his action call out and pose, which is similar to the Origins line. Of course, the cross sell of the other figures in Wave 1. And I've done reviews for the Ultimate Warrior and Sting on my channel, if you'd like to go back and check it out. And also some amazing artwork as well. Very cool. And there's the Grayskull ring right there, which I do have. So I have all of the single carded figures in this particular toy brand, which is very, very cool. Only thing I don't have is the Snake Mountain version of their ring set. But if you wish to go back and check out the Ultimate Warrior and Sting and any other Origins figures from waves 1 through 14, you can go ahead and check those out, guys, and Masterverse as well. But very, very cool. Of course, like the Origins line, and I wish I had one, it also comes with a comic as well, or a collector booklet for each figure. You can see him standing in front of the Grayskull ring in the artwork. And posing power. There you go. So there we go. So yeah, I think this was a really cool idea. That you take two iconic brands like WWE and switch it over and do a crossover event with the Master Universe line. And what I have here, let's get out a little Skeletor out here. So I believe he's supposed to represent the Skeletor version of this particular universe. So there they are. You can see the similarities in the box right there. The box art, you got the red rocks for the Origins line. You got the blue, purplish rocks right there, and the Masters of the WWE Universe logo right there. As you see, they stay roughly the same height. They're both Origin style type figures. You can pose them, you can move their arms. I believe you can pop the arms off and switch out and customize, each figure if you wish. And similarly, I think it's the same goes with the Superstars line. Right there. And I will be doing reviews on those guys as well. There you go. Very, very cool. And I believe, yes, that the cape, his cape down below. I wish I did have some loose figures of these guys. Maybe I'll go back and purchase some. But as you can see, the cape itself is a soft good cape, which is very cool, which I do like. And I like the fact that the Superstars line has a lot of soft good fabric as well for their figures. He does come with a cape as well. In the back right there. As you can see, the similarities in the back of the packaging with the toy brands here. Both the call out and the cross out of all the figures and stuff like that. You can see where the Origins line got their inspiration from. There you go. Now, of course, the Origins line, I believe it began in 2019 with the Prince Adam He-Man 2-pack. And then I think it was like an online exclusive, like a PowerCon exclusive or San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. It came out in 2019. Of course, it hit retail, the Masterverse line right there, hit in 2020. And, of course, what happened with 2020. It's a very rough year, a year that we would like to forget and stuff like that. But it pressed on. It came, this Masterverse, the Masters of the WWE Universe, stayed for a few waves, at least 7 waves. 7.5, which is really cool. It hang in there for a couple years. And I think they could have gone a little bit longer. I could have seen, a couple of other waves they could have added, some new people. It comes, of course, Triple H does come with his iconic hammer. His sledgehammer. It's kind of be like his Havoc staff, I like his battle armor right there. And I'm sure that can be fully removed as well. I think you can probably remove the arms out. You can pop the arms out. Probably remove from the waist, I believe. If anybody who does have this particular toy line, let me know, guys. If this is, I can tell it's fully posable like the Origins line. This is very, very cool. But I do believe, it looks like you can pop the arm in there, like the Origins line. It has those ball joint in the body. So yeah, like I said, it was a very cool idea that Mattel came up with this crossover of the with the WWE superstars in the world of Eternia. I think that was a really nifty idea. Fully posable, like I said, stays the same height as the Origins line figures, 5.5, right there. And I think, like I said, that it could have gone for a few more waves. Of course, this is the first time we got Triple H. We did get Triple H again in the Masters of the WWE Universe. He was part of the Grayskull Ring with John Cena, or I guess you can call him Hogan Cena in a way. Yeah, that's another thing about this particular brand of the Masters of the WWE. Like some figures, I don't really know who they would represent in the Masterverse line. Who he can be compared to. Like you can see, for me personally, I compared Triple H with the skull to Skeletor. I was going to say Scareglow, but Scareglow is represented by Undertaker in this particular brand, because Undertaker in this line does glow in the dark like Scareglow. So he is supposed to represent Scareglow. But people like Finn Balor, take a look right here, in the back of the packaging right here. I don't know, like I said before in my other reviews with like Warrior and Sting, that I don't know for sure who Finn Balor is supposed to represent in this particular Masterverse universe. He's the heroic Demon King. So this is when he was still a good guy. Of course, now he's like a heel now on the WWE. I think he's like one of the leaders of the Judgment Day. But maybe just because they like the look, he's like his own new character in the world of Master Universe, which is cool. But I'm trying to think of a character who has these, maybe like, I don't know, because he's good. He's a good guy. He can't be Moss Man, and I would say, or maybe one of the Snake Men, but one of the Snake Men are evil, so he can't be that. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Who do you think Finn Balor would represent to you in the world of the Master Universe right here? Even the armor. I'm trying to think of the armor right there. If the armor has some sort of meaning to one of the figures in the Masterverse line. But there you go. But all in all, a great, figure. Really, really cool. And I was amazed, like I said before, like how quickly, and I want to thank my friend Dennis from TRG Toys and Collectibles, because he was the one who got me started collecting this particular brand. First, I was not going to collect these at all, but I did see a few of these, reviews on these, like Pixel Dan and Kyle Peterson. Yeah, if you're familiar with Kyle Peterson, sorry guys, on his YouTube channel, he is a huge wrestling collector, toy collector. He loves WWE. He loves G.I. Joe. He does a lot of great reviews, and he's one of the people also like Pixel Dan who did reviews on these guys, and I was hooked. I'm like, these are really, really cool. I like the look. They have that same look as the Masterverse line, or the Origins line, I mean, and these are like a must-have. But I was afraid because it was long gone from the shelves, and the only way I could get them is online. You can also try places like Target.com, or even maybe or Walmart.com or eBay. I found most of mine at eBay. And I did get a few, like my ring from TRG Toys and Collectibles, thanks to Dennis. But yeah, I was quickly amazed how fast I was able to get these figures at a reasonable price, guys. I mean, I think a lot of sellers, thought that this brand was going to go a little bit longer than it did. And so they bought a lot of these figures, and they have these figures now sitting on their shelves. They're in their warehouse, and they're just trying to get rid of, inventory. Because a lot of the sellers were like, I would hit that like or that heart on eBay, and within a day or so, they would, hey, we'll take off 20% off, or take 30, or you tell us, what is the best price you can give us, and I did that, and before you know it, I had the entire single carded set of these incredible figures, guys. Really, really cool, guys. So if you are interested in getting, these figures, try those guys. eBay, Amazon.com probably, maybe Entertainment Earth maybe. I don't think Big Bad Toy Store has them anymore. They did sell them at one point, but I think they're all sold out. But you never know. There's a few figures I found on Big Bad Toy Store. So there you go, guys. If you are interested in getting this amazing collection right here, you should try those out. But there is old Triple H, the evil Skull King of Kings, and his wife Stephanie, in a later review down the road, is represent of Evil Lynn, and she looks really cool. Alright, guys. I'd like to take the time now to thank my subscribers. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. I love talking with you guys, all things Master Universe, or in the world of the Master Universe, like the WWE Universe right here, or the Origins line, or CGI, or Masterverse. Hit that like button, guys, that thumbs up, and thank you for doing that. And hit that notification bell, so when you know I upload new videos. And tomorrow, I've been doing a cross between the WWE figures and my Wave 14 second review, my follow-up reviews on the figures. As you remember, I did all Wave 14 of Origins, and I said once I got my second version, my loose version, I want to go back and do a re-review of the figures, a loose figure review. And I've gotten the rest of my Wave 14 figures in, and I try to keep my promises, guys. And I will be doing a follow-up review of Squeeze of Wave 14 of Origins. Can't take. I have already have it in the packaging. It's really cool. First time having Squeeze in for any collection. So I can't wait to do a little dive on him, and we'll take a look at the comic, and of course we'll do a quick follow-up review, of the packaging of Squeeze, and we'll take a look at the figure and all his removable parts and stuff like that. So I cannot wait to hang out with you guys on Sunday. All right, share this video, guys, who has a love and a passion for collecting this amazing product, guys, for over 40 years of Origins to, the vintage 80s, to the Classics line, to the 2000X, to, Super 7, and Masterverse and CGI, So guys, hope you guys have a great Saturday and a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Take care, guys, and have a good one.